Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Kia Soul, and we're going to go over how you would replace your map light. So we have our map light, which is right behind here. This, you can tap it, it's a map light reading light. So to start with, we need to pop it off from this side, the front side, just by using a small screwdriver to get it to pop out of there. And then you just get it to pop out the rest, and then that way these tabs on the back, that's what's holding it in, minus also these little clips here. So we just work it out with our small screwdriver. Then we have this light that you would just pull out, and then you would get a new one to put in and to replace. And this map light here, so 175L light or long life light. So you would take a new light and just line it up there and just press it back into place. Double check that it works before you put the cover back on. And then you're going to put the tab on what would be toward you, or the back of the vehicle up there. And then you just got to kind of press that on there to snap it into place. It can be a little bit of a pain, so you just may have to use a bit more pressure. So thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.